how to sell handmade tote bags and purses on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So for example, as you can see in here, we have a lot of products to see, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So let's just check one of these products, for example, just to show you an example of what you're going to learn in today's video. So let's go with this product, for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shop page exactly like this one, how to add your products images, the product's price, the images like this one, or the video if you have one, how to add the price, how to add the options, and how to add the item details or your product details, how to enter the description, and how to select the shipping and return policies that suits you. So let's just start from the first step by going to this main page. Click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop, and here, in order to set your Etsy shop, you will need to go through 6 steps, and the first one is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop, then stock in your shop, then you choose how you get paid, then you set up the payment or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for me, I'm just going to change the currency to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, where you add the name of the shop. So here, make sure to remove the spaces between words. Then make the name between 4 and 20 characters. Let's remove and let's remove handmade. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. And in this step, you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So guys, before proceeding to adding the photos and details about your item, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So here we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. You will need at least 1 photo. Then you have the inventory. You will need to enter the price of the product. Then you have the listing details, where you will need to fill all of these red fields. And the same thing with the shipping as well. You will need to fill all of these red fields and turn them white by entering the right information. So let's start from the first step, which is the photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Make sure to give your product a catchy title. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category. So here you choose the category of the product. Let's choose the first one. Then you have some additional details to fill, like the material of the product. You can select up to 5. So for example, let's say bamboo, cork, crystal, feather, gemstone, and that's it. Then you choose the primary color of the product. Let's go with black. Secondary color, let's say gray. Primary fabric type, let's search for one in here. Let's go with chino. Secondary fabric type, you can choose one in here as well. Let's see canvas, and here you choose the style: boho and hippie, gothic, military. Let's go with military. And here you choose the occasion, choose the holiday, and you choose the renewal options that you want. If you want an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want the manual, which is free, I'm going to go with the manual. Here you choose the type of the product, if it's a digital product or a physical product. Then you have the description. So here make sure to enter a good description for the product. Then you have the production partners. If you have any, you can add him in here. You can fill all of their details in here. Then for the section tags and materials, they're all optional, so just leave them for later. Then we have the price. So for example, let's give it this price. This is just an example, guys. Then you have the shipping. So as I said in the beginning, make sure to fill all of these red fields with the right information. For example, with the processing time, let's say 5 to 7 days. And then we have the returns and exchanges. So here you can apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another one by creating your own. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.